勇敢，勇敢，勇敢。
brave,
brave.
无论遇到什么困难，都要勇敢面对，不要逃避。无论遇到什么困难，都要勇敢面对，不要逃避。无论遇到什么困难，都要勇敢面对，不要逃避。
No matter what difficulties you encounter, face them bravely and don't run away.
No matter what difficulties you encounter, face them bravely and don't run away.
最后，他勇敢地站出来，说出了事情的真相。最后，他勇敢地站出来，说出了事情的真相。最后，他勇敢地站出来，说出了事情的真相。
Finally, he bravely stood up and told the truth.
Finally, he bravely stood up and told the truth.
我们要勇敢地面对失败，不要害怕失败。我们要勇敢地面对失败，不要害怕失败。我们要勇敢地面对失败，不要害怕失败。
We must face failure bravely and not be afraid of failure.
We must face failure bravely and not be afraid of failure.
结果，结果，结果。
Result,
Result.
市场调查结果将在4月份公布。市场调查结果将在4月份公布。市场调查结果将在4月份公布。
the results of the market survey will be published in April.
The results of the market survey will be published in April.
考试的结果从5月中旬左右开始在网上能够查阅。考试的结果从5月中旬左右开始在网上能够查阅。考试的结果从5月中旬左右开始在网上能够查阅。
Exam results will be available online starting around mid-May.
Exam results will be available online starting around mid-May.
经过3场激烈的比赛，结果他输了。经过3场激烈的比赛，结果他输了。经过3场激烈的比赛，结果他输了。
After 3 fierce games, he lost.
After 3 fierce games, he lost.
失败，失败，失败。
Fail,
Fail.
失败是成功之母。失败是成功之母。失败是成功之母。
failure is the mother of success.
Failure is the mother of success.
不要担心失败，要勇敢地追求自己的梦想。不要担心失败，要勇敢地追求自己的梦想。不要担心失败，要勇敢地追求自己的梦想。
Don't worry about failure and pursue your dreams bravely.
Don't worry about failure and pursue your dreams bravely.
从失败中吸取经验教训，才能成功。从失败中吸取经验教训，才能成功。从失败中吸取经验教训，才能成功。
Only by learning from failures can you succeed.
Only by learning from failures can you succeed.
过程，过程，过程。
Process,
Process.
航空公司通常禁止起飞和降落过程中使用手机。航空公司通常禁止起飞和降落过程中使用手机。航空公司通常禁止起飞和降落过程中使用手机。
airlines generally prohibit the use of cell phones during takeoff and landing.
Airlines generally prohibit the use of cell phones during takeoff and landing.
如果管理过程中出现问题，必须尽快解决。 如果管理过程中出现问题，必须尽快解决。如果管理过程中出现问题，必须尽快解决。
If problems arise during the management process, they must be resolved as soon as possible.
If problems arise during the management process, they must be resolved as soon as possible.
在运动过程中要特别注意自己的身体状况。在运动过程中要特别注意自己的身体状况。在运动过程中要特别注意自己的身体状况。
Pay special attention to your physical condition during exercise.
Pay special attention to your physical condition during exercise.
至少，至少，至少。
At least.
At least.
每次刷牙至少刷3分钟。每次刷牙至少刷3分钟。每次刷牙至少刷3分钟。
Brush your teeth for at least 3 minutes each time.
Brush your teeth for at least 3 minutes each time.
一般来说，每晚至少应该有7个小时的睡眠。一般来说，每晚至少应该有7个小时的睡眠。一般来说，每晚至少应该有7个小时的睡眠。
Generally speaking, you should get at least 7 hours of sleep every night.
Generally speaking, you should get at least 7 hours of sleep every night.
这项工程至少需要5年时间才能完工。这项工程至少需要5年时间才能完工。这项工程至少需要5年时间才能完工。
The project will take at least 5 years to complete.
The project will take at least 5 years to complete.
总结，总结，总结。
Sum up. Summary.
Sum up. Summary.
通过总结经验，纠正错误，使工作水平不断得到提升。通过总结经验，纠正错误，使工作水平不断得到提升。通过总结经验，纠正错误，使工作水平不断得到提升。
By summarizing experience and correcting mistakes, work standards are continuously improved.
By summarizing experience and correcting mistakes, work standards are continuously improved.
总结过去的经验，以应对未来的挑战。总结过去的经验，以应对未来的挑战。总结过去的经验，以应对未来的挑战。
Summarize past experience to meet future challenges.
Summarize past experience to meet future challenges.
他把过去1年工作和经验进行总结。他把过去1年工作和经验进行总结。他把过去1年工作和经验进行总结。
He summarized his work and experience in the past year.
He summarized his work and experience in the past year.
谢谢观看。